Hi everyone, this video tutorial will show you how to set up a new hub and connect it to Wi-Fi. Before you start the setup, you need to complete some preparations. First, download and install the app. If you haven't used Sofabaton devices before, please register and log in. Second, turn on your phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Now, let's get started with the setup process. Launch the Sofabaton app and select X1. Choose Set up New Hub. If your X1 hub is already connected to Wi-Fi, you can select Connect to Hub. Follow the on-screen prompts and make sure the hub is plugged in. And then, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The blue light will flash, indicating that the hub is in pairing. Proceed to the next step. You can see that the app has found the hub. For iOS, you may need to go to Settings to enable Allow Bluetooth for new devices. Then click Connect and select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Please note that X1 only supports 2.4G Wi-Fi, not 5G Wi-Fi. Launch the app again, click Connect to Hub, and you will see the hub you have configured on the same local network. Click to connect to the hub and start adding devices. For the steps of adding devices, please refer to other video tutorials. If your app is unable to find the hub, please try the following suggestions. When connecting to Wi-Fi for the first time, the hub may automatically upgrade its Wi-Fi configuration. During this process, the app may not be able to find the hub. Please wait for 3 to 5 minutes and refresh the page. The app communicates with the hub over a wireless LAN. If your phone is connected to 5G Wi-Fi, please switch to the 2.4G Wi-Fi network, which is the same as the hub's network. If you're using a VPN on your mobile phone, the app may not be able to find the hub on the wireless LAN. Please disable your VPN first.